Brandon Harbour Taylor's on Moto out of Bournemouth and Amber Shepherd from Gosport. Here we go, the game drops down. Good luck to your favourites. Here we go, 22 place. That Rendell's on.
Go on, lads, keep going, lads.
I believe this could be Zach's first one back from injury. He's out there.
Yes, sir.
Showing no effect. A break on the sidelines. If I didn't in the second place there by the 4-5-2 of Luke Terry. 209 is next eye on Poulter and the Shepherd in fourth. And diving up the inside there, Luke Terry coming through.
That was a good move by Luke.
The little whip over, little whip.
From the final from Zach Rendleton in second time, Poulter and the Shepherd. And then Brandon Harbour Taylor's moto number 2 for the junior cruisers, already into the second burn. And out there in front, it looks like Nathan Dupre. He's your early leader, Arness and Montbrand over 802, Adam Sweetman. And Harry King in there as well in fourth spot. Coming down the final straight already, Nathan Dupre. Well clear of Essamont, Sweetman and King. So that was the order as we're into an expert cruiser already. Out there in front, Big Daddy places on the 163 and Toby Harris out there in front, 657, Max Henderson, he's there in the second, Matt Spears for Gosport in third, well he was because he's just been overtaken by the number 9 of Theo Pope, but Toby Harris and Pope has come through, maybe to get the second ahead of Henderson. And in third, another Matt Spears.
Those people are
Female cruiser 30 pluses out on the track now. And it looks like Anita Wong, I think that is out there in front on the 092. Anita Wong is your leader, just looking and seeing that is in second place. It might be Beth Fletcher. We'll see if Beth isn't quite 100% fit, but she's doing well. And she's trying to get around the outside of Anita here. But Beth is now coming back at her.
Go, guys!
He's also close there for third and fourth. Michelle Eaton coming through. As we're already into open cruisers now. Simon Fletcher's your early leader in this one. He's coming back past you now. 539 is next. That'll be Jake Shepherd. And Kai Rivier's there in third. And Simon Fletcher coming down to take the win. Shepherd in second. Kai Riviere in third. It'll be Keith Brown in fourth. Steve Bell coming through for fifth ahead of Andy Ballard. And then Mark Chapman was next. So, open cruiser again. Here we go. Looks like Terry's going to snap in this one. Into turn number 1, just ahead there of Bernie Shell. He's trying to improve on his local track. Bernie's still trying to nip up the inside here. On Paul Terry. Oh, a bit of elbow to elbow there, but they're all right. And it's Terry out there in front, Shell in second, Reed in third. That's Gregory Reed out of Runnymede, Rockets, and then the 30X of Miles Bulls. Paul Terry hanging on here from Bernie Shell. We'll get the second, Gregory Reed. Massive crash there. Three riders come back from the 1 minute.
Yo, Pat, go!
Pat Robinson was involved as well, but it's Mark Warfield out there in front. So Warfield it is with the clean field here in this one. 106 next, Alex Dickinson. James Pritchard has managed to avoid all the trouble. He's there in third as well. Warfield will take it. There we go, the guy drops down. Reed Hughes was very quickly away, and so too will Tate Kitson. And these are the first two. And these three are pulled away from all the others. Right there in front is Reed Hughes, your leader. Tate Kitson is there in second for the Hawks. And Archie Mullins from Bournemouth in third. Further back, Hendricks Hollindale Tom from Gosport back in fourth spot.
Come on, Reed.
And Reed Hughes is out there in front. With Tate Kitson hard on his toe. One for the 6 and unders now. 101 plate, Ashton Green. Peckham, you really need it. Austin Trowbridge going in there in second. Well, we've got a pile up there on the final straight at the back end of that last moto. So 101 then in this one. This is moto number 9 for the 6 under. Ashton Green out there in front. Rob in second place. Looks like Paddy Keenan. Then in third, that'll be 789, Ollie Johnson.
Here we go then, 6 and unders. Third moto in round 1, 6:03. Harrison Schofield, this young lad, he has really looked good so far this year in this division. Big future for this young man in the sport. He's out there in front. Meanwhile, in second place, looks like Luke Wilcox is trying to go with him there. And then we have, that could be Oscar Davis there in third. Lucy Gardner's in 4. And then we have Callum Furmore in there, and the 226 of, that's Lucy Gardner. So Francesca Green, that is in the full spot. Harrison Schofield, it is your winner. Okay, we've had an extension seat post handed in to registration, so if you've lost one of them, it's that registration with Martin. Meanwhile, Harry King leads this one out of 7-year-olds. And this 5 riders in with a shout here. Kai Blaine's there in the 2 spot. And then we've got Damon Orion and Gatcher in there. On the pedal! Across the line in 5. As we go in the 7-year-olds, this is Moto 12. And it looks like Finn Phillips is out there in front. From right here in Bournemouth. Bustridge is there, that's Dara Bustridge. He's there in the 2. In the 3 is Sonny Card. In 4, that looks like Cole Blaine. Finn Phillips comes across the line. Bustridge and Sonny Card almost together there for the 2nd and 3rd spot. 7-year-old girls now. Alexa Cross, Amelia Ward, Amelia Harbour-Taylor, Lacey Baird. Who's out there in front? It looks like Mighty Mouse, just. Mighty Mouse, Amelia Harbour-Taylor out there in front in turn 2. Lacey Baird there in the 2nd spot. Alexa Cross is in 3rd and in 4th, Amelia Ward. Amelia Harbour-Taylor just holding on still. Lacey Baird still there in the 2. It looks like Amelia's hanging on. Mighty Mouse has nailed it. He pressed forward. Lacey Baird in 2nd, Alexa Cross, and Amelia Ward in 4. Up next, the 8-year-olds in Moto number 14. It looks like early leader in this one is the number 8 player, James Trowbridge. Then we got Harrison Davis, Jack Davies, 763, Zach Kennard is next in 4. Ralph Stephanos in 5. And now leave Carl Nelson in 6. And Trowbridge it is from Davis. And then they look like Jack Davies in 3rd. 2 there, Fraser Redson. We won't leave him out. He's there in 7th. And comes across in safe and sound. As Moto number 15 for the 8-year-olds. We've got out there in this one. Now it looks like the number 13, Ashton Coombs. Here from Bournemouth. Then 21 is next, Will Pickering for TNT. Moving up. There's Coombs out there in front, Pickering in 2. Micah Bradford Williams next, and then we've got Thomas Miller. And then the 259 of Jack Christian. More from the 8-year-olds now coming down the 2nd straight. We'll have to be Charlie Granger out there in front. We'll go on with the riders as they come through. Lucy Simpson now in the 2, almost going onto the pedals there, Lucy. Found the map away right then, is your leader, Granger, sorry. Charlie Granger is there in third spot, just behind Lucy Simpson. And also in there, your world number 8, back after the Worlds. That's the 9-year-olds now hit the track. We got Young, Hughes, Dudman, Warfield, Simpson, Jacobs, Collis and McCann. Out there in front is Harrison Collis, your leader. Jake Warfield is there in the 2. Max Dudman's in 3. And coming down the final straight now, it is Harrison Collis, your Southwest number 1. Out there in front, just ahead of Jake Warfield and Max Dudman. Pistol Patton out there in this one, flying down the second straight. He's got the early lead. So Lorenz Patton is your leader in Moto number 18 for the 9-year-olds. Then we got the 26, is that Miles Clutchen. Then the 15 of Arneselman. The Pistol's out there in front and he's pulled clear. There's going to be another win for Lorenz Patton.
Let's go, let's go now!
Miles Clutchen just ahead there in second place of Arneselman, who got the third. Moto 19, more from the 9-year-olds. And it looks like Lewis Longley is out there in front, coming back towards me now. So it's Longley, Bucken, one rider goes down, 666 is next, Oscar Alvarez. So it is Longley out there in front, Bucken in 2, Alvarez in 3, Lewis Fletcher in 4. As on we go, the 9 and 10-year-old girls, once again well subscribed age group. And out there in front is Shania, Shania Harris Sherwood from 485 Tegan Jacobs. Ebony Lennon is back in 3rd. So Shania has it from Tegan Jacobs, Ebony Lennon, Peckham are 1, 2 and 3, and Stephanie Ware, Preston West, the Hawks in 4. As the next one for the 9 and 10-year-old girls are out there, and already a steer gainer out there in front. Sky Mavawani Wright's there in the 2. It is Steer Gainer, your leader. Sky Mavawani Wright is there in the 2. Amber Shepherd is in 3. Leah Jacobs in 4. Lily Adams in 5. And it is still Steer Gainer out there in front, coming down the final straight. Sky Mavawani Wright, Amber Shepherd, Leah Jacobs, and then Lily Adams. Sophie Price is next. And then Sharon Toby. As we go to Super Cruiser now. That's Mario Burno. It's going to be his birthday this week, Mario, he told me. And he's out there in front, doing it for Brazil. And Racing Corporated, number 9 is next, Anthony Howes. Then the number 10 of Owen Baxter. As we go now, Super Cruisers. There's second rack. Now on the gate. And here we go, 0-1, John Moore. With a coconut. This one. But here comes the number 2 player, Will Smith. On his inside. Smith and Moore going at it, neck and neck. Moore just hanging on. Smith trying to come back at him. Josh Bradshaw's back in the 3rd. Damien Meading's there. Down the final straight. Is Moore going to hang on? Is Smith coming back at him? It's going to be close on the line. Moore and Smith. Very close. John Moore and Will Smith. Hard to tell them apart. One for the girls on the line. The 4th there. We're going on now to the 10-year-olds. Billy Brown out there in front, coming around the outside there. On his home track today. So Brownie is your leader. 28 was in there next. Harry McCann, I think that might be Josh the Freeze there in the second spot it was. He was close to Billy Brown ended up the winner of that one. As one rider clearly out in front in this one, it looks like Casey Markley leading them out as he comes back towards me now. Markley's out there in front, and you've got to go some way back to find the second spot of Max Davis, and then Max Jackson is next. Casey Markley already away. Davis, Jackson, and Kent are following up. The Soyzers in there as well. Sam Talent. So here we go with Moto number 26. Oscar Simpson out there in front of Gosport in this one. Bailey Miller's there in the 2, I think that is. So Simpson your leader, Miller is there in the second spot, Sweetman's in third. And then we've got 8, 9, Alfie Norris. Already coming back towards me now. Oscar Simpson for Gosport going to take it, Bailey Miller. And then Alfie Norris. Moto 27. And for the Hawks out there in front, I think this could be Dylan Merrick in 644. It is. So Merrick is out there in front. Head is there in the 2. Lewis Devlin is next. So the Hawks 1 and 2 here. With Devlin for Knightwood in 3. And then Ryan Buttons for Gosport in 4. We've got Lucas Craig in there. We've also got Ben Davey. These are 1 and 2. Craig, and here comes Davey now trying to come around the outside. Now switching to the inner. So Lucas Craig is out there in front. Ben Davey still going there, with him there in the 2. Can he get it up to 1? Was Lucas Craig doing enough to hold on here? Craig and Davey, and also trying to join in the mix there is the 34 plate. That is Rocco Dove. We got Craig May, and just hold on, Ben Davey there in the 2. Rocco Dove got the 3. And then at Moto number 29, who's going to lead in this one? I'll do the riders in a minute. As number 23. Niall Pennard is out there in front. Pennard is your leader. Saskia Earl, we need you on the gates or in the pen. Saskia Earl.